Now from exercise 3.4, we are going to study the third example. Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme. In the first year he invested rupees 5,000, in the second year he invested rupees 7,000, in the third year he invested rupees 9,000. Find the total amount he invested in 12 years. Find the total amount he invested in 12 years. Okay. Now, Sachin's investments. First time, how much did he invest? Look and tell me. 5,000. Look on the board. From here, I can start. Third example. Sachin's investments. That is 5,000, 7,000, 9,000 are in arithmetic progression. They are in arithmetic progression. Why these investments are in arithmetic progression? The difference between the two investments is same. What is the difference between 7,000 and 5,000? 2,000. What is the difference between 9,000 and 7,000? 2,000. So the difference between the successive investments is rupees 2,000, and therefore the investments are in AP. That is what I have written. Now, which is the first investment? What is A is equal to 5,000? The first investment A is equal to 5,000. D is equal to, just now you told me that is equal to 2,000. D is the common, A is the first installment, A is the first term, 5,000. D is equal to 7,000 minus 2,000, 5,000, that is 2,000. So that is D. And for how many months did he invest?
12 months.
12 months. That means number of terms is equal to 12. So using that, we will find the total savings of Sachin in that particular year. That you will see. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, S12 is equal to, wherever n is there, write 12, because the savings for 5,000 plus 12 minus 1 into D. D is 2,000. When the value of D is positive, no need to put the bracket, but if the value of D is negative, definitely you have to put the bracket. That is equal to 6 in the bracket. As per Bourmas, we have to multiply. We will get 10,000 plus 11 into 2,000. That is equal to 6. 10,000 plus 11 to the 22,000, and then that is equal to 6 multiplied by 22,000 plus 10,000, 32,000. That is equal to 6 to the 12, 6 3 the 18 plus 119, 6 to the is 12. 6 to the is 12. So 2 carry 1. 6 3 the 18 plus 119. And 3 zeros you have to put. Therefore, what is the question? What is the question? Find total amount that he invested in 12 years. Therefore, total investment in 12 months is equal to rupees 192,000. So that is the total investment. Thank you.